Hey, good morning. Can I come in?
Yeah, of course. What's up?
I noticed you didn't come downstairs for breakfast today. You feeling okay?
Not really. I've been feeling off since last night.
You look pale. What exactly hurts?
Mostly my head, and my throat feels scratchy.
Sounds like the flu might be kicking in. Did you take your temperature?
Yeah, it was slightly high earlier.
Do you feel dizzy or just tired?
A mix of both, honestly.
Did you sleep well?
Barely. I kept waking up every hour.
That explains the dark circles under your eyes.
Wow, thanks for pointing that out.
Sorry, I meant you look exhausted. Not bad.
I know, I'm just messing with you.
Good. At least your sense of humor is still alive.
Barely.
Did you have anything to eat yet?
Just a little water. No appetite.
You should eat something light. Maybe some fruit or toast?
My stomach feels weird.
Like nausea?
Not exactly. More like heaviness.
Okay, maybe avoid heavy foods then.
Agreed.
Here, I brought you some warm lemon tea.
You made this?
Yep, you should feel honored.
I actually do. Thank you.
Take a sip and tell me if it helps.
It's warm and soothing.
Good. Hydration is important when you're sick.
True. I've barely drunk anything since last night.
That's probably why your head hurts too.
You think so?
Definitely. Dehydration can cause headaches.
Makes sense.
Any body aches?
My back hurts a little.
Did you sleep in a weird position?
Maybe. I kept tossing around.
Want me to adjust your pillows?
That would be nice, actually.
No problem. Here, sit up for a second.
Okay.
Try this pillow behind your back.
Oh, that feels better.
Good. Comfort is important.
You're really taking care of me today.
Someone has to.
You're sweet.
Don't say that too loud. People might expect me to be nice all the time.
Trust me, I won't tell anyone.
Good. Now, seriously, do you feel short of breath?
No? Breathing is normal?
Any chest pain?
Nope. Just the headache and throat.
And the dizziness.
A little better now, after the tea.
That's a good sign.
I hope it doesn't get worse later.
We'll keep an eye on it.
You sound like a doctor.
Well, Google taught me everything I know.
Oh no, that's dangerous.
I know, but I try.
I appreciate it.
Did something cause the sudden sickness?
Maybe the rain yesterday? I got soaked.
That'll do it.
And then I had ice cream after.
Seriously?
Yes, I regret nothing.
You're unbelievable.
It was worth it.
Well, now you're paying the price.
True.
Want me to check your temperature again?
If you want to.
Hold still.
Is it high?
Slight fever.
Ugh,
Don't worry, it's mild.
still feels terrible.
I know.
I hate being sick.
Everyone does, but you'll be fine.
You sure?
100% sure.
Thanks.
Want some soup?
Maybe later.
I can make it fresh.
You cook?
Sometimes, when I'm in the mood.
And are you in the mood now?
For you? Yeah.
That's nice.
Anything to keep you from fainting.
Dramatic.
Little bit.
I think I want something warm.
Tea refill?
Soup sounds better.
Okay. Chicken noodle?
Yes, please.
I'll start cooking.
Wait, stay for a second.
Yeah?
Thanks for being here.
Always.
Really?
Of course.
That means a lot.
You don't have to thank me.
I want to.
Fine. You're welcome.
Good.
Do you need a blanket?
Yeah, I'm cold.
Let me grab one.
Thanks.
Here you go. Soft and warm.
Perfect.
Feeling better?
A little.
Good.
My throat still hurts, though.
Want honey ginger tea next?
Yes, that helps a lot.
I'll make it.
You're spoiling me.
Only today.
I'll take it.
Try to rest while I'm gone.
I will.
And don't use your phone too much.
I wasn't planning to.
Good.
Can you close the curtains a little?
Sure. The sunlight too bright?
Yeah, hurts my eyes.
There. Better?
Much better.
Good.
I think I'll nap for a bit.
Do that.
Will you check on me later?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Sleep well.
I'll try.
And don't worry.
Hard not to.
You're going to feel better soon.
Promise?
Promise.
Okay.
I'll be in the kitchen.
Making soup, right?
Yep.
Good.
Call me if you need anything.
I will.
Take care, all right?
I will. Thanks again.
Anytime.
You're the best.